Presenting the immensely powerful magnetic drilling machine for the steel industry, assembly jobs and workshops. From BDS Maschinen. The remarkable MAB 455 magnetic core drilling machine from Profi Start category. Drilling in pipes and tubes was always a tough job, especially with the twist drills, but not anymore. Introducing an easy solution to drill pipes and tubes with BDS magnetic core drilling machines, core drills and special tube clamping attachment. The MAB 455 equipped with Morse Tapper 2. The MAB 455 magnetic core drilling machine drills up to 40 mm diameter core drilling with annular cutters, drilling up to 55 mm cutting depth. With Morse Tapper 2, drilling up to 18 mm with twist drills. Simply better drilling. Equipped with 1150 watt powerful motor, revolutionary complete internal cabling. Secure dovetail slide system. Provided with quick change drill chuck with Morse Tapper 2. New generation oil bath gearbox. Magnetic adhesion indicator. Safely arranged switches. 2-speed gearbox. Perfect internal lubrication. Sleek integrated cooling tank. Robust, powerful and lightweight. The MAB 455 magnetic core